Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how to iPhone like dynamic Iceland in Motorola G17 Power. First of all, open Play Store. Now in Play Store, click on search dynamic sport. Now click on dynamic sport and click on install. Wait few seconds. After complete installation, click on open. Click on next. Now here you will see three options. Select apps, notification access, draw on screen, data protection. First of all, click on select apps. Now here you will see app, select app. And if you want to select all app, then click on all. Now go back. After that, click on notification access. Again click on notification access. Scroll down, click on dynamic sport and turn on this button. After turning on this button, click on allow. Now click on draw on screen. Click on allow. Again click on draw on screen. Click on next. Scroll down, click on dynamic sport and turn on this button and click on allow and click on done. After click on done, iPhone like dynamic Iceland from your phone. This is how you can iPhone like dynamic Iceland in Motorola G17 Power. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.